Here's part 2 of renovating our camper. So in the first video, we took all of the cabinet doors off and we painted a layer of prime paint and then did 2 coats of white paint. Now I'm working on putting a backsplash up in our kitchen. I was able to get everything done in a couple of hours. The only part that took a little longer was doing like the odd corners and edges where I had to cut the pieces. I got the tile from Amazon and it's actually just a peel and stick, so it was really easy to apply. Now Matt's working on the countertop and he's got 2 pieces of edge glued pine and he's holding those together. So we're going to have to let it dry for 24 to 48 hours. Then he took the old counter and placed it on top so that we could cut out all the shapes and holes that we needed. We got a gray stain, but got really nervous as we were applying it because it kind of looks blue. And that is really not what we want. So then we applied a black stain on top of it. And although the countertop is darker than we wanted, I think it turned out really nice because you can still see the grains of wood and it's not solid black. We also added 3 layers of polyurethane to give it a little bit of a shine. So now we just have to put the sink and faucet and stove back in. Come back for part 3 and you can see what we're going to do to replace this flooring.